Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Apache Kafka with Confluent, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have Java Development Kit installed on your machine. You can verify this by opening your terminal and typing Java version. If it's not installed, download it from the official Oracle website or adopt OpenJDK. Once Java is installed, download the Confluent platform. Go to the Confluent website and navigate to the Downloads section. Select the appropriate package for your operating system. After downloading, extract the contents of the zip or tar file to your desired location. Open your terminal and navigate to the extracted Confluent folder. Next, set your environment variables. For Unix-based systems, you can add the Confluent bin directory to your path variable. This allows you to run Confluent commands from anywhere in the terminal. For Windows, you can add the bin directory to your system environment variables through the system properties. Once the environment variables are set, you can start Kafka. In the terminal, run the command confluent local services start. This command will start the required Kafka services along with the Zookeeper instance. You should see logs indicating that the services have started successfully. To verify that Kafka is running, check the status of the services with Confluent Local Services status. Next, create a topic to test your Kafka installation. Use the command confluent Kafka topic create test topic. This command will create a new topic called test topic. To produce messages to the topic, use the command confluent Kafka topic produce test topic. You can enter messages in your terminal. To read messages from the topic, open another terminal window. Use the command confluent Kafka topic consume test topic. You will start seeing the messages you produced in real time. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Apache Kafka with Confluent and created your first topic. You can now explore various features and functionalities of Kafka. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.